If your website isn't showing reviews, you're losing trust and sales. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to embed Google reviews on your HTML website in just a few minutes. First, visit tagbox.com and sign up for free, or log in if you're already an existing user. Once you're on the dashboard, select the Social Feeds on Website option from the available choices. Next, create a review feed by choosing Google Reviews as your source platform. You'll see two options to collect reviews. Enter any location to fetch reviews, or collect reviews directly from your business account. Enter the required details and click Create Feed. It will automatically pull in your reviews. Now, curate your feed by clicking on the Moderate button. Here, you can manually remove irrelevant content or use the Autopilot moderation feature to automatically filter out duplicates and outdated posts, keeping your feed clean and relevant. After that, customize your widget by going to Customize and Publish and selecting Website as your channel. Enter your channel name and personalize your widget by choosing themes, layouts, card styles, fonts, and CTAs that align with your brand. You can also customize the Google Review widget with options like colors, hiding duplicates, removing old posts, and applying custom CSS for complete design control. Then, generate the embed code by clicking on Generate Code. Select HTML as your CMS, adjust the width and height as needed, and copy the embed code provided. Finally, log into your HTML website and select the landing page where you wish to publish your gallery. Paste the code and hit Save or Publish. And that's it. Your Google reviews are now live on your website. By showcasing real customer feedback, you're building trust, strengthening your brand reputation, and helping visitors make confident decisions.